Did you know that meal prepping can help you save up to 30% more time during the week? That means more time for you and less stress about food. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more weight loss tips and healthy lifestyle content. Today, I'm excited to share with you a balanced meal prep plan that can help you lose weight fast and reach your fitness goals. Throughout this week, we'll be focusing on portion-controlled meals that are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. The rules are simple. We'll be preparing 5 meals a day, consisting of 3 main meals and 2 healthy snacks in between. Each meal will be balanced with the right amount of protein, carbs, and healthy fats to keep you full and satisfied. To make things more fun and engaging, I'll be sharing my own personal experience with meal prepping, including my shopping trips, cooking process, and the meals I'll be having throughout the week. By the end of this challenge, you'll have a clear understanding of how meal prep can help you achieve your weight loss goals and maintain a healthy lifestyle. I'm so excited to kick off this challenge with all of you. The first step is to plan out our meals for the week. This involves deciding on the recipes, making a grocery list, and shopping for all the necessary ingredients. I love this part of the process because it gets me excited for the meals I'll be having throughout the week. It's also a great way to stay accountable and ensure that I stick to my meal plan. Once I have all my ingredients, it's time to start cooking. I'll be sharing some of my favorite recipes with you, from healthy breakfast omelets to delicious grilled chicken and quinoa bowls. I love meal prep because it saves me so much time during the week, and I'm confident that it will do the same for you. Let's get started with day 1 of our meal prep challenge. Today, I'm having a protein-packed breakfast smoothie bowl with banana, spinach, and almond milk. For lunch, I'll be having a grilled chicken breast with roasted vegetables and quinoa. And for dinner, I'll be having a delicious baked salmon with sweet potato and green beans. Throughout the week, I'll be sharing some of my favorite meal prep tips and tricks to help you stay on track and motivated. I'll also be sharing some delicious recipes that you can try out for yourself. On day 2, I woke up feeling really motivated to stick to my meal prep plan. I had a delicious breakfast omelet with vegetables and whole wheat toast, followed by a healthy snack of carrots and hummus. For lunch, I had a grilled chicken wrap with avocado and mixed greens. As the week went on, I started to notice some changes in my body. I had more energy, my cravings for unhealthy foods decreased, and I felt more confident in my ability to stick to my meal prep plan. On day 3, I had a bit of a setback. I was tempted to grab a donut on my way to work, but I reminded myself of my goals and why I started this meal prep challenge in the first place. I stuck to my plan and had a healthy snack of Greek yogurt and berries instead. As the week went on, I started to receive some comments from my family and friends about my meal prep. Some of them were skeptical at first, but once they saw the results, they started to get on board. One of the most challenging moments of the week was when I had to attend a dinner party. I was tempted to indulge in some unhealthy foods, but I reminded myself of my goals and stuck to my meal prep plan. One of the most intense moments of the challenge was when I had to weigh myself midweek. I was nervous about the results, but I was proud of myself for sticking to my meal prep plan. On the last day of the challenge, I had a bit of a cheat meal. I was tempted to indulge in some unhealthy foods, but I reminded myself of my goals and why I started this meal prep challenge in the first place. I'm so proud of myself for completing this meal prep challenge. I lost a total of 5 pounds and felt more confident in my ability to stick to a healthy lifestyle. I hope you guys enjoyed following along with my meal prep challenge. Remember, the key to successful meal prep is to stay consistent, be patient, and believe in yourself. If you guys have any meal prep tips or recipes, I'd love to hear about them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more weight loss tips and healthy lifestyle content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.